What's the meaning of complication? Complication. Complication.
Complication. Complication. Complication refers to a situation or condition that makes something more complex or difficult. It can arise due to various factors such as unforeseen events, errors in judgment, or conflicting priorities. The effects of complications can range from delays and increased costs to serious consequences like project failure or medical emergencies. Complications often require additional resources and effort to manage and resolve, and may involve trade-offs and compromises. Effective planning and risk management can help to mitigate the impact of complications, but they cannot always be avoided entirely.